What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be continuing working on that rocket that I started in my very first video on this channel. So as you can see, we've got some fins cut out and a nose cone from a plastic egg. We have sanded down all the edges. The fins have been glued together so that they have a sharp point, and today we're going to be painting them and getting them ready to put on the rocket body, which, as you can see, is down there. We're also going to be doing a little bit of painting on the body of the rocket as well, but not too much because we do still need to mount the fins, and we have, show you guys, so there's these reference lines on the rocket that we're going to need to follow, but we're going to mount the a little launch lug is what it's called when you're building a rocket, and which is what we're going to be using basically to stabilize the rocket until it gains enough thrust for the fins to stabilize it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to just basically spray over the different things on the box, give them some time to dry and whatnot, and then I'll do a couple other coats and flip the egg over, do what's left, and yeah, that should be good. So looking forward to this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy watching it, and with that, we're going to go ahead and paint the fins and egg. So I went ahead and painted the, ooh, it still smells. I will just zoom in from far away then. Okay. So I got the one side that I was working on originally painted. That's what you guys saw in the time lapse. And then I flipped over and started painting the other side accidentally because I'm in a huge rush today and I have a lot to do. And I'm trying to squeeze this in because I've got to get it done for project, obviously. And also I wanted to get a video out there because it's been a while since I last updated, but as you guys can see from here, it's not a perfect coat by any means. It's still drying right now, but it's probably going to have some rough edges. I'm going to try get some very fine sandpaper, maybe take out the big lumps. But because it's plasti-dip, I don't really know how well that's going to go, so I'm going to be very careful with that, though, of course. That's probably going to be all for this video. Sorry it was so short, guys. I'm going to be uploading a video on how to change your oil soon, hopefully, as well. That's another thing I wanted to do today, but I don't know that I'm going to have time for it now. We're going to see, though. I am still trying to get content out to you guys and show you what's going on, but I'm very busy right now with school and a lot of other stuff, so I may not be able to upload often over the next week or so. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, please leave a like and thumbs up, and subscribe if you didn't. Go ahead, leave a dislike, tell me what you didn't like and how I can improve. And again, guys, with that, peace out.